This weekend is Thanksgiving here in Canada, and this is one of my favorite side dishes. This is a simple, flavorful side dish that brings a perfect balance of sweet and spicy to any meal and goes well with your Thanksgiving turkey. So, let's make maple ginger Brussels sprouts. This dish will quickly become a favorite on your table. Start by trimming and halving about a pound of fresh Brussels sprouts. Set them aside while you prepare your key ingredients: 2 tablespoons of maple syrup for that natural sweetness, and a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger for a little zing. Now, toss your Brussels sprouts in olive oil, add the grated ginger, and drizzle that rich maple syrup. Give it all a good stir to ensure each sprout is coated. Roast the Brussels sprouts at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, turning halfway through. Watch as they caramelize beautifully while the ginger and maple syrup infuse every bite. Once they're golden brown and tender, take them out of the oven. Finish with a sprinkle of sea salt or a dash of lemon juice to brighten the flavors. Sweet, savory, and with just the right kick, these maple ginger Brussels sprouts are a quick and delicious way to elevate any meal. Enjoy!